Hello everyone, today we prepared for you a cute button tutorial. We will teach you how to create a realistic button step by step. Size of a new document is not really important, but a square one might have a slight benefit. In the Shape menu on the side panel, choose a rectangle tool and use it on the document. Set a white fill for it and disable stroke. Double-clicking on the rectangle layer will bring up coloring options. Light pink color is what we are aiming for. Then take an ellipse tool, make a new layer and drag with a mouse over it while holding Shift key to make a circle. Turn off stroke option for it. Double-click on a circle layer to open blending options and add gradient overlay. Click on a gradient editor and set sliders and colors like this. Change its scale to about 120% and press OK. Now duplicate that layer. Use Ctrl+T and make the copy smaller. Double-click on the layer, go to the gradient options and do this with sliders and colors. Also add that yellow color to the first circle, it will look a little bit better. Then make a new layer. Make a small ellipse on it like this. That will be the button's glow. Turn off the stroke. Rotate and position it like this. Make a new layer and add a small circle next to it to make the glow more detailed. Next, click on a layer with the original circle, double-click on it and add bevel and emboss. Use these parameters. Then select the inner circle and add inner shadow to it. Use these parameters and colors. After that, make a new layer on top and make another ellipse. Transform and position it like this. Set the blend mode to soft light. On the side panel, choose Eraser tool and erase the parts that are outside of the circle. Next, select the original circle again and change parameters like this to better suit the changes. Now for the smaller circle, do the same. Lower the opacity of the inner shadow too. Now make a new layer. Then take the custom shape tool and select a heart. Turn off the stroke and draw it. Go to blending options for it, add color overlay and a pink color to it. The glow of a big ellipse is too strong. We will need to lower its opacity. Click on the original circle and in the blending options add drop shadow to it. Use these parameters and colors for it. You can change the color of the background rectangle too if you want. That wraps up today's tutorial, guys. I hope it was informative. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps a lot. Stay tuned for more Photoshop tutorials. See you soon!